What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. I'm going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 52 cents, down 1.3 on the day. See, market cap 4.85 billion, 24 volume 192 million. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So we're looking at a potential 1-2. We've already entered into the wave 2 pullback zone. I do think one more lower low to the golden ratio or the 78.6 is likely. If we start to break the 78.6 and we start to head towards the beginning of the wave 1, that's obviously bearish and could indicate that we are going to head lower before completing this larger wave 2 pullback. But as of right now, there is potential for a 1-2 setup. So if we can bounce off the golden ratio of the 78.6, then our bullish confirmation is a break of the wave 1 high. We may look to take a trade if that does happen. As I mentioned on the daily chart, we have beautiful bullish divergence on the RSI. And if we open up the money flow index, yeah, we have divergence on the money flow as well. So we have some signals that we will turn around. We've basically almost come all the way back down to the bear market low. So if you're looking to DCA into Matic, I would say now is the time in this support area. Because there is a pretty good chance that we bounce relatively soon, whether it's off 52 cents, maybe 43 cents from this support zone and see continuation to the upside. So you have that. Let me grab my brush here. Oh, brushy. You have that wave 1 up, that wave 2 pullback, and then boom, push up in a wave 3. We'll have to see how everything plays out. Price of Ethereum, same thing, ABC correction. I do think one more lower low is likely, but we can break out from here. We're currently sitting on the golden ratio. If we do come down and start to break the 78.6 at 1561, then higher likelihood we break this low, we create a lower low before bouncing would be perfectly okay. Most likely we'll look to take our trade with a break of this trend line or a break of the wave 1 high, which would be bullish confirmation. And a signal will be given in the Discord. It's only $10 a month. We have beautiful bullish divergences on the RSI on the money flow. You can see money slowing in strongly while price has been falling here. And we are at the support of this massive ascending triangle. So even if we break a little bit lower, it is a really good time to see a bounce for ETH. And potentially see that push to the upside, get back above the daily EMAs. As I mentioned, a signal will be given if we do start to bounce, break trend lines, break bullish confirmation. Otherwise, we break this low, we create a lower low, it is what it is, and we wait for the next opportunity to take a trade. That's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. Watch the 78.6, that's the key level for Matic. At 50 cents, if it breaks, higher likelihood you're going to come down and break that low, create a lower low. It is what it is. That's why we'll wait for a reaction and either take our trade off the reaction or wait for the bullish confirmation. Because if we get the bullish confirmation, you're going to see a large push to the upside. So there'll be lots of juicy gains to be made. Signal would be given in Discord if that does happen. It's only $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day, or you can sign up to Bitfinex to grab a 14-day free trial. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus with the deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you can get $200. Free money, guys, and the 14-day free trial on my signals. Otherwise, sign up to the Patreon, only $10 a month. Crypto analysis for many coins, my crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals. We just locked in profits on gold and re-entered silver. We're in a silver trade, which is doing well. All links are down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.